Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the word indulge. Let's break it down step by step. 1. To allow yourself to have or do something that you enjoy, especially something that is considered bad for you, like too much food or luxury. Example: after a long week at work, I like to indulge in a hot bubble bath and some chocolate. 2. To allow someone to have or do what they want, even if it's not good for them, or if they don't deserve it, like spoiling them. Example: the grandparents always indulge their grandchildren with toys and sweets. 3. To give way to or satisfy a desire or interest, often in a more general or imaginative sense. Example: the author indulged in vivid descriptions of far-off lands in her novel. There you have it. Indulge in all its tempting glory. Use it to add some flavor to your English. Can you think of a time you've indulged? Share in comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more word breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little indulgence now and then keeps life sweet. See you next time. Bye.